guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Florin and today I'm going to present you my new vacuum cleaner for my garage. And this I hope to be big enough. It's 30 liters container and have a lot of options on it. Also have a plug-in where you can use it for different machines in your garage. You plug in the machine here and then it will start automatically by your machine. When you press on, this one will gonna start. So that's really smart option for our garage. Let's open and see what we got inside. New machine from developed in Denmark. It's made by Danish engineers. They promise us a good quality. We hope it's like that. On the top we have some instruction manual, the certification and all that. We have this vacuum pipe. They promise us to have 4 meters. So we have 4 meters long enough for our job, different places. For example, if you work on the roof and you can take your spiders with. Let's put it down. Okay. Good protection to the cover. We have the pipe. 2 pieces of pipe. Let's see what more we can take it out. No, nothing else. Let's put this one to the side. Let's get it up. There is nothing left in the box. Everything I think should be inside, so it's much more protected. Looks like this one is it's very big, enough space. We have the plug-in here, so we can use our kind of machines, but can take it the all dirty directly in this one. We have a very long cable. I think it's same 4 meters. I don't know exactly, but there it should say. Yeah, let's open and see what we got inside. Whoa. This is how it looks inside. This is the very big filters. I think it's going to get out without any dust, so all the dust and everything will gonna stay inside. It's not the standard dust, but I don't know how expensive this will gonna be to take it out. They promise us to be okay with wet and dry also, but I don't know how we're gonna clean this one, if we can clean easy or not. They promise us to be okay, but it's okay. I'll take it off to see how it looks. I'm full curious. This is the vacuum, the filter. It's very big actually. I don't know if we have this filter. We have a lot of more stuff here. This one for floor, some connection. Got another connection for the small places. We have another connection for something else, and we had a very big bag. Well, it should be get connected somewhere. I think it's going to be connected directly to this place if you want this using this bag, but actually I don't really think I'm gonna use it because I want to get all the dirt directly here. It's better than to spend money with this. Maybe if we use the bags, we're gonna protect more the filter. I think it's I think that's why they make with the bags, because we're gonna protect the filter to get not that much dirty will be connected directly, so everything will go in the back and not to the filter. When you're gonna use without filter, I think this filter will gonna be or not gonna look so good. So actually I don't know if I can buy this, or better to buy this. It's depending on what we use. If we use getting water or something, we need to take this off. The water will go in without any problems. But I'm not gonna use that one right now. So you have a shield protection here for this connection. So it's in case you drop something water, not to go directly to the filter or something. That's interesting thing. Come on. Perfect. So we have here direct connection, and I don't know actually how is it working. Let's put it off. I'm going to plug in and to the electricity and see how it's with the noise and all that. Oh, we have a lot of cables. There is I think the power, we can adjust the power for how depending on what we need for different if you want to suck something harder maybe. Oh, what is that? It's some kind of filters, I don't know, maybe to push it to the filter and, you know, like a fresh start. This is going. Actually I don't know exactly on what is it. No. When you put on on for this, it's only when it's plugged in, and if we turn it off, it's gonna start. Whoa. That's really powerful. I already like it. I hope the engine is the most of the important things, because the engine, if it's really good made, we're gonna hold us enough. But I don't know anything about the price for the filter or the bag. What is deserved to buy it often. For example, if you use dry, I would like no bag. But if it's more cheap to buy bags, I think it's the best to change the bags with the dry stuff in your garage. But if it's not that expensive, the filter inside, I think it's deserved to use it directly like this, because I like it. In the garage you have a lot of wood parts, and to go in the bag, I don't know what exactly to say, but the most I like is to do that. It also have a flow to, we can connect directly in the back. I think so. We can connect also here. And like this we use to go up dust from some places, or cleaning some, maybe you want to clean your computer and you cannot suck in some small places between your so you just press on, and then we're gonna go up, like you see. And let's see on the maximum. Yeah, it's very powerful, and I really like it. I don't know what is doing with the picture. Oh, I escaped it. That means it's very powerful. The engine, it's really powerful, and it was only on the middle. It was only like this was. So actually, the engine, for the moment I see right now, it's perfectly. I really love it. And these features I really enjoyed because I don't have to start it manual, and I just start the things and I connect with this one, and but I start to suck everything. And I think one of the things, the best I think is this one. You know why? Because many machines have different size of getting dust outside, and by connecting like this, it allows you to connect to some machine that have a smaller size, bigger, and to bigger size of getting out the evacuation of the dust. So you just connect there, the machine connected directly here, press it on, and then when you press on your machine, will directly start this one. I don't have any machine right now with here on the studio, but yeah guys, I think it's really great. The big place, it's really worth it. It's really nice, and wheels, big wheels in the back. So actually I think it's really worth to get this one. I have no idea about the engine. If I will get any troubles with, I'm gonna make a new video and review that. It's not perfect, but for the moment I see it here, and now it's worth this money. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments below this video and tell me your opinion about this brand or other brands that you use it before or now, because I really like to know opinion of you. So don't forget to press the like if you want to support me with appreciation for my work, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. See you soon with the next future video.